Yeah, I guess like walk me through how you would create a skill.
So I can come here, go to skills. I could open up a new chat and just say, hey, I want to make a skill, right? Or I can come here, skills, and I can either write one myself. So I just write it up here in a
Yeah.
markdown format, or I can say, I want to create a skill with Claude. And it basically just takes me to a new chat. I want a skill to help me cut through all the clutter and focus my attention on the stuff that really matters. Also, I want to have a daily brief of what emails I've received and the actions I need to take as a result.
You do it across multiple inboxes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that would be nice
Yeah.
because I have like 4 email inboxes that I'm.
Yeah. So in your case, if you have one workspace with multiple email addresses, all you need to do is add the access to the workspace. In my case, right, I've got Gmails, I've got Microsoft 365 accounts, right? In those cases, I need a connector for Gmail, and then I need a connector for Outlook.
And really, a skill is a task that will run more than once. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, when people talk about training their AI, skills are basically the way that the AI companies have come up for you to customize what you're doing or the things you want it to do. And that customization looks like, I want you to help me draft these emails, but I want you to use my voice, right? So here are some examples of my voice to be able to do that. And so it's going to kind of interview me, right? I'm going to say family and personal. We'll just say I want to read it here in Claude. And so then the other thing you can do is really cool. You can say, I don't care about any promotional emails or automated notifications. I want a simple checklist that's grouped by priority. Anything family or personal is landing in a specific inbox. So we'll just use my personal email to classify what's family and personal. And then I want my daily brief to be scheduled using Claude Cowork so that it's just ready for me when I log onto my computer in the morning. And so it's kind of crazy because it's asking me to clarify, like it knows that I have N8N connected. So it's like, do you want to create an N8N workflow to do that? And so like these follow-up questions are tailored to exactly how I'm using
context.
The application as opposed to something generic. So right now it's building the skill, right? In the meantime, I can come over here to connectors and we can set up the Gmail. It's just asking me on another screen to proceed. And I'm picking my personal Gmail and then hit continue, grant the permissions and hit OK. So that's a little personal and sensitive. So I just did it on a separate screen. But right, so basically all I'm doing is logging into Gmail, and now I'm connected to my Gmail. Now the skill has the connection to Gmail that it needs to be able to sort of analyze my inbox.